I'm a mermaid.
She's a mermaid?
Give her magical powers.
Wow.
Oh, like a dog.
Hey dudes, we've been invited by Eurostar to check out Eurostar Odyssey, the new virtual reality experience which is on their trains. So we've packed our bags, we're here at St. Pancras and we're off to Paris. You ready to go on the train?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah!
I am
We're
so
ready.
happy.
You're so happy that you got on the train?
Yeah.
Eurostar!
I'm just so happy.
I know.
We are
We're
going
on
to
the train.
France.
We're going to France. On the What was it like?
Yeah, it was sick.
What did you see in there?
I saw some weird things. I don't
Yeah.
even know what they are.
Oh my
It was
god.
just weird.
Yeah? You feel like you was under the water?
Yeah.
Oh my god. That was so
And there's
cool.
a train.
And there was a train in there.
Can you see it? Wait.
Oh! Oh! Look!
Can you see the wave? Can you see the wave?
Whoa! Look at it!
Isn't it the wave was big?
The whale was huge!
Oh, okay. I'm looking at
This is for you to take on the train. So that is going to become one of these. So you're going to put one of the phones in there. You can use your headphones as well. And it's a 9-minute video that you can watch on the train so you can see all of the fish in virtual reality.
Okay, yeah, so this is actually the part when the kids had to actually make the boxes to experience the virtual reality on the train, which we picked up in the station, but you can use without the headset if you want.
Yeah, and it's cool that you can just connect it to the train's Wi-Fi for free.
I know, that was the awesome part
Yeah.
about it. It was like absolutely free. And then you can start the virtual reality experience.
That's what I think it's cool. Just add it to your phone, headphones. It's actually kind of cool, isn't it?
It's so simple, it's amazing.
It is.
Oh yeah, and it's cool that you can actually use any device as well. All you have to do is connect it to the onboard Wi-Fi.
I can see. Is it dark? There's a squid.
There's a squid.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There's a squid right next to us.
Really? All right, I know you guys are wondering what the kids can actually see in their VR sets now. I'm gonna tell you because I done it and it was so amazing.
It's literally like you're on the Eurostar under the water. Aren't
Under the
you?
water
Yeah.
at the Eurostar in virtual reality, and you have to actually collect the sea creatures
Yeah.
while we're under the
There's
water.
loads of different creatures, and you literally collect them. It's like a little game sort of thing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a game,
it's
and
like
you go
a
around
game.
collecting them. You have to collect the whole roster of all these underwater fish and creatures and everything, and it's so
It's
cool.
pretty cool. It is super cool.
And there's like a couple of characters that are helping you going through your journey.
Yep. The submarines and all that.
Oh yeah, the submarines. The submarines are
Yeah,
awesome.
they are cool,
I
they are
remember
cool.
the part when there was a big giant octopus on the pirate ship.
Oh my god.
That part
Huge.
was really
That was
cool.
really cool.
Yo. I thought I go in the water called Ariel.
Wow.
I'm a mermaid.
She's a mermaid.
Give her magical powers.
Wow.
Oh, like a dog.
Time to go underwater.
Going underwater, yeah?
I see a big octopus.
I do too.
You see a big giant octopus.
Yeah, and it's on a pirate ship.
Isn't it?
Yeah. That's so awesome. Oh, there's a diver. I can see a diver.
Huh?
I can see a
I'm
diver.
falling.
We're almost in Paris, but looking forward to the way home now too. Thanks Eurostar for a brilliant experience. Guys, make sure you check it out.